So in this question it is given that a particle is moving in xy plane with a velocity vx is equals to 8t minus 2 and vy is equals to 2. If it passes through the point x is equals to 14 and y is equals to 4 at t is equals to 2 seconds, the equation of the path is. So first let us take the given expression, velocity in x direction, vx is equals to 8t minus 2. Vx can be written as dx upon dt, which is equals to 8t minus 2. So here dx will be is equals to 8t minus 2 into dt. Now integrate this expression. Here I am going to do an indefinite integration, so there will be a constant in the result. So here x will be is equals to 8t dt integration will be 4t square minus 2 dt will be minus 2t plus some constant, as we are not applying any limits here, and I am taking this constant as c1. Similarly take the velocity vy. Vy is given as 2. Vy can be again written as dy upon dt. So here dy is equals to 2 into dt. Again we are going to do an indefinite integration, so there will be a constant in the result. So here y will be is equals to 2t plus some constant, let us take it as c2. Here it is given that the point is passing through 14, 4 at t is equals to 2 seconds. I will use this given information to find out this constant c1 and c2. So at t is equals to 2, x coordinate will be is equals to 14. Let us substitute that value here. X is equals to 14 at t is equals to 2. So this will be 4t square minus 2 into 2 plus c1. So here the value of c1 will be is equals to plus 2. Similarly y is equals to 4 at t is equals to 2. So this will be 4 is equals to 2 into 2 plus c2, which implies c2 will be is equals to 0. So the expression can be rewritten here. X will be is equals to 4t square minus 2t plus 2. Let us take this as first equation. And y will be is equals to 2t as c2 is equals to 0. Let us take this as second equation. From second equation we can write t is equals to y upon 2. Now substitute t is equals to y upon 2 in the first equation. So here x will be is equals to 4 into t square, which will be y square upon 4, minus 2 into t we can write it as y upon 2 plus 2. So here 2 will get cancelled out, 4 will get cancelled out. So the expression for x will be is equal to y square minus y plus 2. So option A will be the correct option.